Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Rough movement on this one today. I mean that the downtrend continued. Showed some signs of life on Wednesday, but with that movement, but then from that high, it just got that much more follow through here. So down it goes, and now the chart is starting to sit, the price is starting to sit at some very interesting areas relative to the overall chart. So to bring up a little bit more context for that, let me just get that line out of here, and let's actually go to the daily time frame. So there we are. Makes this a little bit easier to see, but you can see with the rollover movement that happened today, the price is not there quite yet, but it's certainly within striking distance of this area of support down here around the $1.60 mark. I suppose it did get relatively close right there, but $1.60, you can see going back through the history of things, has quite the nice little track record here of providing support and then providing some nice bounces. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has bounced off this $1.60 area on a few different occasions before does not mean that for sure the price is going to come down here, go sideways, and then bounce again. But my point is, it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have. Case in point, let's just say the price had never ever bounced off $1.60, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like it might bounce off $1.60. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? It's never done that before. But in this situation, it actually has done it before. So does that mean it's going to for sure happen again? No, but it's at least a valid and rational thought to kind of throw out there. Now, if $1.60 does not hold up, next key level of support after that, down there at the $1.50 mark, which you can see on a couple different occasions there, has also provided support. Now, what I want to do here is zoom back in here and go to the 30-minute once again, because this does a little bit better job now of mapping out where some of these levels of resistance are at. Main level of resistance with any sort of bounce back to the upside. First key level going to be right up there at $1.70, and then you'll want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But one hurdle at a time, and from the resistance side of things, $1.70 is public enemy number one. So still one day left this week, so let's see how this one can close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.